never been a farmer before, but life takes left turns and you just get to learn something new. I am proud of my do-it-yourselfer, figure-it-out spirit. I really enjoy learning new things, and so I tend to take on projects that are far bigger than I should take on. In the immortal words of Lorelei Gilmore, coffee, coffee, coffee. I'm a little slower of a starter, but I get out here and spend a lot of time in the fields later in the day because that's what my rhythms are, and I tend to be out later at night. Drinkers of the wind is actually what Arabian horses used to be known as back in the old days in Arabia, and this was my stepdad's ranch originally, and he raised endurance racing Arabian horses, and this was the name of his ranch. So when we decided to convert it over from horses to regenerative agroforestry, I thought the name really fit, and after all, that's what plants do, is they drink carbon and other nutrients from the air. Screw college, save that money, buy some land, start farming, plant some trees, stat. Because then you get to play with fun toys. Look at this fun toy, so cute.